What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called Brenmiller Energy. Now, Brenmiller Energy has a unique technology when it comes to energy storage. So in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the company along with going over their most recent press release, as I want to highlight a few interesting things when it comes to this company so that you can potentially add this to your watch list and follow along. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you Brenmiller Energy. So let's take a quick look at this stock first and foremost. It does trade on the Nasdaq under ticker symbol BNRG, and it currently trades for 66.9 cents with a current market cap of $13.5 million US and a 52-week range of 52 cents all the way up to $2.80. So as we can see here, guys, it's trading just off of that 52-week low. It has been a difficult year for this stock price, although the company has made many developments when it comes to their business, and now could be a great time to take a look at Brenmiller Energy as they've recently bounced off their 52-week low, and hopefully we can see some positive movement going forward. So next thing I want to do is take a look at their website, and that is bren-energy.com. So carbon-free thermal storage. So carbon-free thermal energy storage. Now there's lots of great videos on this company and how their technology works, but I quickly want to sum it up before we jump into the most recent press release that I do want to highlight. So BGen is a patented high-temperature thermal energy storage unit stored in solid-state thermal materials, in their case, crushed rocks, charged electrically or thermally, and delivers steam or hot air on demand. This sustainable TES technology enables emission reduction for power plants, industrial, and commercial facilities. So what are some of the highlights? Clean, environmentally friendly materials, crushed rocks, hybrid, charges with thermal or electrical sources, modular from industrial to large-scale power plants, and unlimited cycles, 30-year lifetime with no degradation. So I just quickly wanted to touch on thermal storage for industry, decarbonize your heat, generate clean steam, hot water, or hot air, integrating renewable sources for heat generation, waste heat recovery, utilize low tariff energy prices to produce heat on demand. Then we have thermal storage for utility, make your power plant more flexible, shift excess heat to peak hours, faster ramp up, higher maximum load and lower minimum load, integrate renewable energy, reduce O&M, and prolonging power plant's lifetime, erasing HRSG thermal stresses. On the website also is listed, their strategic partners, a bit of information about the company, and of course their press releases. So I would highly encourage you guys to head on over to the Investors tab. You can find the investor presentation and more information about the company. Take a look, and now I will be talking about their most recent press release, and it's actually a CEO's letter to shareholders, so I want to go over the key points. Issue CEO letter, World Bank forecast on oil presents tremendous opportunity for renewable energy, thermal storage is the foundation. So to our shareholders, amidst current geopolitical tensions, the World Bank's latest forecasts on oil prices make it abundantly clear that the time for renewable energy is now, and thermal energy storage is at the forefront of this new era. So they're speculating prices could reach $150 per barrel. Of course, that's just speculation. Brenmiller believes they are overestimating the potential price shock by underestimating the enormous ability for renewables and energy storage to meet new demands. So trends of increasing oil prices make renewable energy and energy storage more cost competitive. We have seen this before in the 1970s. The oil crisis catalyzed a global quest for energy security, marking the beginning of a major shift towards alternative energy sources. 5 decades on, we are at a historical crossroad. This time, however, the situation is compounded by the urgent need to curtail emissions in the battle against climate change. Today, energy independence and security are more vital than ever. Recent events around the globe further underscore the inextricable link between energy and self-determination. But we believe this geopolitical instability will accelerate, not impede, the growth of renewable energy. Take Europe, for example. The transition to renewable energy gained a new urgency amid both stringent emissions regulations and the crucial need to decrease reliance on Russian natural gas. A parallel shift is underway in Israel, where declining gas exploration dovetails with growing motivation to adopt clean energy sources. In the United States, according to a report by the American Clean Power Association, there was a 172% quarter-over-quarter upswing in grid-scale energy storage installations in the U.S. in the second quarter of 2023. We're pleased that our projects are part of this unprecedented global growth in storage solutions that contribute to a more resilient and sustainable energy grid. Thermal energy storage is key to achieving true energy independence. Energy stored as heat can deliver clean, on-demand power and diminish the need for imported fossil fuels. When paired with renewables, thermal storage can provide 24/7 carbon-free energy, avoiding the volatile energy markets noted above. With built-in storage, renewable energy becomes available when it's needed most. Day or night, rain or shine, grid operators can store surplus clean power as heat and then extract it to meet peak demand. Thermal storage also makes renewable power dispatchable for individual users. By unlocking renewables' full potential, we believe thermal energy storage is key for both grid stability and empowering users to become self-sufficient. In other words, it enables true energy independence and sustainability. So how does this apply to Brenmiller? So as a pioneer in renewable heat technology and a proud Israeli company, we are now more than ever committed to using innovation to build a prosperous, sustainable energy future for communities worldwide. Our technology is proven and environmentally sound. We are the first thermal energy storage company in the world to operate a gigawatt scale production plant, a true gigawatt factory, and we've recently announced 2 groundbreaking projects to replace fossil fuel powered boilers at a hospital in a partnership with a major beverage corporation. By transitioning away from fossil fuels, Brenmiller is helping these organizations achieve stability and reduce exposure to traditional volatile energy markets. The current war has had no material effect on our operations and development, and we remain committed to our mission and value creation. Thank you for your continued trust and partnership. Your steadfast support as shareholders empowers us to develop innovative technologies that increase energy independence and reduce emissions. With your help, we can realize our shared vision of secure, clean energy for all. So that is a pretty motivational letter, a message from the CEO. So if you are a shareholder or you're a prospective shareholder, might be a good idea for you to take a look at that press release for yourself. Also, feel free to put this company on your watch list or take a look at the investor presentation. I wanted to highlight that key press release, talk a little bit about the company and their cool technology, and we will have more to come for this company, so stay tuned. I look forward to bringing you guys more information on Brenmiller Energy. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.